Sonakshi center.
चलो 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 भाई चलो जरा साइड पे मागे बघा साइड पे
Yeah, Polo.
Say
Yes, still.
from a family or something.
Namaste, ma'am. Ma'am.
से लगता है, ladies and gentlemen, Sonakshi Sinha with us, all yours. You know what? I get absolutely inspired by you when it comes to the fact that you take a stand against body shaming.
I think that is why we are so in sync with each other, and I'm truly happy to be launching the brand here today. Thank you so much for having me. Oh, wow. Thank you very much.
So joining us today, I request Poonam Pilani, Venu Jain to please come forward for a group picture. Let's have a picture, photo op together. You know, I was just speaking about this a while ago, Sonakshi, that Gautam ji and his fabulous team here, they were on stage a while ago. They have worked so tirelessly to create this brand for all these lovely people out here. Gautam ji, do you want to say a few words?
Well, as I said earlier, this has been a very, very satisfying journey. And we are all here to give millions across the world a very, very truly pure, organic, certified organic product at an accessible price point so that everyone can use and make the world a better place to stay. And I believe Sonakshi will spread our message across and make this world really a better place to stay. Thank you.
Thank you, and I truly believe that this is exactly what the skincare market needs right now. And the fact that I love most about it, that it is sustainable and friendly for the environment, friendly for our skin, and like I said, vegan, organic, everything that you need. So congratulations, and I hope that you have a great run in the Indian skincare market, and I'm truly, truly happy and proud to be a part of your launch today.
I'm sure a lot of people here have a lot of questions. So if you have a question, I want you to put your hands up. Just make sure, can we have the mic be sent around? And if you have any questions related to the brand, please go ahead. You have any questions to ask Sonakshi, her beauty regime, you know, her secret. You don't want to miss this opportunity, you know. So go ahead and make the most of this. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Can we have the mic here, please? Can I have a... Yahan par. Haan, ji. Just say your name and make sure the questions are related to the brand.
Hi, Sohail.
Can we have the mic volume increase, please?
आपकी आवाज बहुत बुलंद है.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
So good to see you. Actually.
I know after very, very
Yeah,
long.
long time, in fact.
I think this is my first media event appearance after the whole lockdown phase. So really happy to see all my friends from the media over here.
Sonakshi, you being a celebrity, you being a star, हमेशा, you know, you have to look beautiful. और उसके लिए makeup.
What works best for you? And I strongly believe, I've been like growing up, any remedies जो भी होती थी वो भी एकदम natural, organic, घर की जो मॉम बना कर देती थी मुल्तानी मिट्टी या हल्दी लगा दो, हल्दी का लेप लगा दो या rub tomatoes or banana on your skin. So grown up at touching my skin only with natural products,
Right.
which is why this is such a welcome thing in our market today and will help a lot of girls who are mindful of what they use on their skin.
Absolutely. Yes. Let's. You want to talk about inner beauty?
Yeah, that's why I asked. Second question was.
Sir, inner beauty नहीं होगा तो जितना भी makeup लगा दो आप खूबसूरत नहीं लगोगे. जितनी भी कोशिश कर लो.
I want to ask you, Sonakshi, that you have recently won the Mother Teresa Award for planting trees and being environment conscious. Is this extension forward? Because even the brand talks about plant as, you know.
Absolutely. I think as a person who is followed and viewed by people, followed by youngsters, I think it's very important and a big responsibility on my part to kind of take forward the things that I believe in. And sustainability, taking care of the environment, taking care of yourself, mental health, physical health. I think these are things that are very, very important to me, and I think I would want it to be an extension of whatever I do.
I hope we answered your question there. Thank you so much for asking that. Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
She got me.
Yes. Okay. Could we have the mic given to this lovely girl here? Yeah. What's your name and your question?
Hi everyone. Hi Sonakshi.
Hi.
I am Shravani Rane. I recently won Mrs. India Universe title as a runner-up from Mrs. India. She is India.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. I am really privileged to meet you in person. And throughout that experience, I just want to ask you one question, which we commonly come across while we are competing. What makes you beautiful, or what beauty means to you?
I think it's a very cliched answer, but it's actually true. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. And what makes anyone beautiful is what Mr. Sohail mentioned, is inner beauty. And how kind you are, what you give back to the world, how you are with people. I think that is something that can make anybody beautiful. So you really have to just... that was such a Miss Universe type answer, no? May I compete karu kya?
Yes, I just wanted to understand what will be your answer to that question, because
But no, I really believe that. I think it really makes a difference how you treat people and how kind you are to the world and how much you give back to the world.
That's absolutely true. Thank you so much.
Very rightly said that kindness goes a long, long way. And we have one more question for you. Yes, can we have the mic behind?
Hi, good evening everyone.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, this is Mishkat Imran.
के पिक थे मैंने वो देखी हूँ मैंने मतलब
मेरी मतलब फ्लैशबैक हो गया मुझे अभी.
थैंक यू मैम और मुझे यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा है कि मतलब आप मेरे सामने हो. थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
Thank you.
All right. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end. But before we have, yeah.